Hi, my name is Anna Wysocka, and I would like to say some words about using DNA barcoding in recognition of Gammarus species flock diversity and distribution in ancient Lake Ohrid. This lake is located on the Balkan Peninsula. It's considered to be the oldest lake in Europe. However, the current age of the lake remains unclear. The studies of the lake sediment cores, however, indicate that it's more than 1.2 million years old. With its surface area is one of the smallest ancient lakes, but at the same time, it's supposed to be the most diverse. Amongst Ohridian invertebrates, the highest level of endemicity is noted for amphipoda. Up to now, 19 species of amphipods were described from the lake and its shore springs, including 14 species of Gammarus. 11 of them are endemic. Our previous studies have shown that the endemic Gammarus species comprises an ancient species flock with the sister taxon outside the lake. Within the flock, a decoupling between morphological and genetic data is observed, as well as, at least, partial spatial separation with respect to the depth zones and habitat types. In the current study, we would like to investigate spatial distribution of species from the flock in relation to molecular diversity based on DNA barcoding. More than 370 barcodes were analyzed. They formed 14 bins, 12 previously known and 1 new. Concerning vertical distribution of bins and corresponding to them particular species or groups of haplotypes, it seems the most diverse zone is the sublittoral, with the shells Dreissena specimens and a sandy or silty part without shells. The depth ranges of this zone fit well to the thermocline. In the sublittoral 9 bins corresponding to 8 already known species and 1 potentially new were recorded. What is interesting, in 1 bin, 3 different morphospecies share the same haplotypes. This bin is noted in the sublittoral and in the littoral. The littoral with the rocky or sandy part and the belt of Hara is inhabited also by 2 other species, forming 2 bins. In the profundal, in it seems a quite homogeneous environment, with sand on silt, only 2 species dominated. But what is interesting, they are widely distributed in various habitats along a depth gradient from the Hara zone to the deepest profundal. Meanwhile, remaining species have distribution limited to particular habitats and depth zones, mainly in the shallow parts of the lake above the thermocline. When we look at the haplotype and nucleotide diversity, we can see that the highest values were observed not only in the sublittoral, but also in the profundal. Concerning the shore springs, there are 4 bins, with 3 of them not observed in the lake. In conclusion, the pattern of spatial distribution of different species or groups of haplotypes due to horizontal and vertical barriers or gradients in the lake suggests the possibility of depth-related radiation. Thank you for your attention.